As a working professional, we know that in today's life, businesses and industries are using the data in more ways than before. That means our decision making ability is highly influenced by the data. Now, the question is how we are collecting that data. If we are collecting that data with a measurement system that is capable, then whatever the data that we are collecting is a correct data. And if we take the actions based on this correct data, our decisions will be correct. But imagine if whatever the data that we are going to collect is with a non-capable measurement system, then what is going to happen? Whatever the actions that we are going to take, that will not be the correct actions because the data on which we believe and take the actions is not accurate data. That's why it is very, very important not only for the working professional but for the every single individual to know whether our measurement system is capable or not. To answer this practical question of whether our measurement system is capable or not, I have designed this course content in a very detailed and systematic way. This course not only indicate you whether your measurement system is capable or not, but when your system is not capable, then what are the course of actions that we need to take, that also we are going to learn here. This detailed course on measurement system analysis consists of 5 parts. The first part is about the introduction of measurement system as well as measurement system analysis and what are the different concepts that we are going to come across while learning of this measurement system analysis, like repeatability, reproducibility, accuracy, precision, bias, linearity, and all that. In second part, once we understand what is a measurement system analysis and what are the different concepts in it, we are going to see what are the different tools in measurement system analysis and what is the correct sequence to learn each of these tools. Depending on the type of data, there are 2 types of studies are available. One called as a gauge study, which is for the continuous data, and second one is attribute agreement analysis, which is for the attribute data. As a part of gauge study, that means for the continuous data, we are going to learn all these 7 tools. Out of these 7 tools in the gauge study, we need to use the first 2 tools before performing gauge R&R study. These are type 1 gauge study and then gauge linearity and bias study. In addition to that, we are also going to learn how we are going to create the gauge R&R study worksheet, how we are going to perform the gauge run chart, what are the different types of gauge R&R study are available, like gauge R&R study crossed, gauge R&R study nested, as well as gauge R&R study expanded. We are going to learn each of these tools with the help of practical example, not only in Minitab but in Excel wherever it is possible. As a part of attribute agreement analysis, we are going to learn how we are going to create the attribute agreement analysis worksheet, which is required for data collection to perform attribute agreement analysis. And at the last, how we are going to perform attribute agreement analysis. As a part of this course, I am also providing you the third part, which is consisting of supporting data to practice all the measurement system analysis concepts and tools. Here you can see that how this course curriculum is designed. Now, just learning is not important, but application of it in real life is very, very important. And that's why I am providing you the fourth part, which is with the handholding and community support for your entire life. This is consist of weekly inner circle call to answer all your theoretical as well as practical questions, as well as Telegram community. The last part, that the free future updates. So if you are interested to learn the measurement system analysis in the most practical and effective way, then this is the course. Enroll it now and become the expert in measurement system analysis. One more thing, due to any reason, if you don't like this content, then I will give you entire money back. Yes, you are covered with 30 days money back guarantee. No questions asked. Therefore, stop thinking and enroll for the course now. I will be more than happy to welcome you in our community.